Puerto Salinas was exciting.
Woo! We're here!
The villa, I mean, it was gorgeous. It was also empowering, and the group of women that I met, we created an instant bond the moment that we got there, and that was really nice.
1, 2, 3, let go.
We're giving your body a break. We're giving your digestion a break.
And we're going to have our first meal, which these 4 days are all liquid.
Breakfast was juice, lunch was juice, dinner was juice. What I loved most about the juices was the variety, and I was very surprised at the taste as well.
Inhale the arms to the sky.
For me, the yoga on the rooftop was amazing. Just the sea breeze and hearing the waves of the ocean just crashing on the rocks, and it was just so peaceful. It was beautiful.
This is your beauty and power here. Stand in it.
I really enjoyed the yoga at night. It was so relaxing. The best thing about the Beauty and Power Getaway is learning about yourself, empowering yourself. What I loved about the empowerment sessions were just the women opening up, seeing the transition from when we first got there, and then just transitioning to these powerful, beautiful women and overcoming the way they felt.
Absolutely, I told you this was a gift to myself for my birthday.
Julia taught us that real beauty, it comes from within, not just outside, not just our physical, how we look. To the public or to society. It's more of reaching inside and looking for a beauty inside and sharing that with others.
The person that you are today, that you're discovering that you are today, and then you're loving already, or you're learning and you're discovering and falling in love with her, is not the same person 10 years from now.
I am definitely going to promote it amongst my friends because I know so many of them that will benefit from this wonderful retreat, just getting away from their daily lives and their daily stress.
It was more than what I expected, and her empowerment, her encouraging words, and her motivation, it was a blessing.